guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a Sesamee 5-pin padlock, very much like the American 1100, exact same size, and even sort of the keyway is the same. Only difference I can see is the sort of design at the bottom, so where the plate holds the plug in. Say 5-pin, that's the bitting on the key. They are meant to contain serrated pins, just like the American locks, and you do feel slight clicks on the sort of binding pins, so that could indicate that there is serrated pins in it. I work back to front, light tension, but just twitch my finger every now and again. And the reason I do this with this lock and other padlocks with sort of serrated pins is they're easy to overset, so every now and again if you release, it can drop an overset pin while you're quickly going over the other pins to pick the lock open. So they can be hit and miss. You can open them very quickly, or other times they can take you a bit longer. Not long been in from work, so I've got sort of freshened up and try to do a video. Let's see how we get on. So to the back. And there are little clicks as you go over the pins. I do apologise as well, I've got a little bit of a sore throat, so I think I'm coming down with something. There it goes. So it can go very quickly, other times it can take its time. That's the Sesamee 5-pin padlock, single pin pits. So I'll cut this afterwards and show photographs. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.